My name is Rayan Campbell. I'm owner and chef of Ryry's Kitchen.
My name is Christina. I am the co-founder of Ryry's Kitchen. We're inside the Jamaica Market in Jamaica, Queens. It's a little bit hidden. There's a lot of gems inside. A lot of variety of immigrant-owned restaurants inside Jamaica Market. It's definitely like a representation of Queens.
I'm from Jamaica. I'm from the parish St. Elizabeth, small town.
Way up in the countryside.
Way up in the countryside, in the mountains.
I am from Chicago, Illinois. I met Ryan during the pandemic in 2020. Friends of mine were eating out at a restaurant. He happened to be the executive chef. I was in line at the bathroom. We locked eyes through the kitchen. He came out and greeted me, and the rest is history.
Growing up in St. Elizabeth, life was very good. I used to watch my grandma cook, and we didn't have gas. Go to the bushes and get wood, and then she would start cooking from the wood fire, and that's where I grew my passion for cooking. I started working at a small restaurant, working inside of a hotel, Montego Bay. That's where the journey began, working as a chef. I moved to New York City 2015. My parents, my siblings moved here to New York City. I fell in love with New York City. This is a place where opportunity begins, and this is where life started for me. It's always my dream to have my own business. Represent my culture is so important because it brings me back to my grandma. The way how she used to cook for us, 13 kids and 100 grandkids in one little kitchen. That's why I love cooking my Caribbean food. I remember growing up eating a lot of steamed cabbage, callaloo, saltfish, chicken, rice and peas, curry goat, scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento seed. That is our two main spices.
We also blend both our cultures. My parents are Latin American. For instance, we put jerk chicken inside our empanadas. We have a jerk burrito. I can't cook Jamaican food. I leave that to him. But I prep, and I can do a good salad.
Red snapper is very special to me growing up because that's the first fish I know, the deer dish that I love to prepare. Red snapper is very common in Jamaica. The local fishermen really do catch a lot of red snapper. It's very tender, it's very meaty. I like to prepare my red snapper steamed because the steaming lock in the flavor in the snapper, and you can taste all the seasoning from all the okras and everything. The ingredients we use in snapper: bell pepper, okra, carrot, onions, coconut milk. You can't make a steamed fish without coconut milk and okra and your scotch bonnet pepper. First, you're gonna get a snapper. Make sure your fish is fresh by looking at it. If the skin is spongy, that means your fish is very fresh. And we wash our snapper with salt, vinegar, and lemon juice. We're gonna pot it dry. We move on to marinating the snapper with our seasoning. Put it in the groove. The season all over, inside. Add in our butter. Then we add all our other ingredients, and then we saute. The butter gotta melt. We're gonna add our other ingredients: onion, thyme, scotch bonnet, bell peppers, okras, carrots, corns. Let this saute for a second. Then we add our coconut milk. Then we add our snapper, and then a little seasoning. Simmer the snapper for like 15-20 minutes until all your vegetables are cooked. Every 5 minutes, you gotta baste our fish, let it simmer. So you gotta make sure you check on it like every 5 minutes. You don't have to flip the snapper. If the sauce is too dry, we add a little water, and then we serve. And then you can have a perfectly cooked snapper. I choose to stay here in Jamaica, Queens due to my customers. I came here and we fell in love with my customers. They fell in love with our food.
We have our customers that have been here with us every day, and they've kept us afloat through all of the hard times. And we're just so appreciative of them, and we love them. Yeah, man. Enjoy your meal, man.